Lord School Science Expo Class 9.
Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing about brain.
My name is G. Durga Manohar.
My name is Jeevanai.
Brain.
I am telling about brain. The brain is the main control center of the body and control all physical and mental activities. The brain helps us thinking, learning and make decisions.
The brain controls emotions such as happiness, fear, remember information, and shaping our behavior and personality. The brain controls voluntary activities like walking, talking, and involuntary activities such as breathing and heartbeat. The brain has three main parts: cerebellum, and brainstem. Brain contains billions of neurons that send and receive messages throughout the body. The brain is protected by the skull, meninges, and cerebrospinal fluid. A stroke occurs when blood is flow to the brain. When blood is flow to the brain is blocked, which can damage brain cells. Diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease affect memory, movement, and brain functions. Thank you. Partial lobe, Sullivan fissure, occipital lobe, pituitary gland, frontal lobe, central sulcus, pons medulla, temporal lobe, spinal cord, cerebellum. Thank you.